Guys, and in this video I'll tell you how you can make this animation effect with just writing small CSS and HTML. So let's get started. Let's open the folder in which you have to make a animation design. So let's open it with the code, and in this make a new file here which name is index.html, and another file for our styling purpose, style.css. So individually make these two files, index.html and style.css. So in this index.html write this, and here you link your style sheet which name is style.css, and come down here we will write div.banner, and in this div.banner we will have to add some of the CSS for this banner. So first of all we have to add margin 0 and padding 0 and font family sans serif, and after this add your banner class here, and for this banner add background image name is 6.jpg. so let's type here linear gradient and color code, this color code, and write down this color code again, and after this add URL and 6.jpg. after this add background position, center, background size it will be covered, and width it will be 100% and height 100 ph. And after this you have to add some of the CSS for this. Let's make a div dot container here, and in this div dot container add ul, unordered list, and li and a. In this a you have to add home. Let's duplicate, and here you have to change it about services and contact, and after this we have to add CSS for this container. So let's come back to the style.css file, and here mention container. In this container you have to add display will reflex, align item center, justify content flex, and padding 20 pixel and 0. And after this you have to adjust width for it. The width will be 100%, and after this you have to add the CSS for this li tag. So in this li you have to add list tag, it will be none, and this style line, and you have to add some margin will be 0 and 20 pixel 20 pixel from left and right, and 0 pixel from top and bottom, and display inline block. After this let's save it and check your website. Let's go live and check. This is our website looking like this. So let's come back and add some CSS for this container, ul, li, and a tag for anchor tag. For container li. So for this you have to add text decoration, it will be none, and color it will be white. And now let's check this. Now this will be looking fine. When we add some of font size, so font size it will be 20 pixel. So now it's looking better now. So after this you have to add content. After this div done, so here add div dot content. For this content you have to add some of the h1 tag and programming with ready. So let's add some of the css for this content. Let's come back to the css file. Here add dot content. For this content add position absolute and top it will be 50%, left it will be 35%, and after this content and h1. For this add color white and font size it will be 60 pixel. Let's save it and come back here. So you have to add here 25 pixel. So now it's looking fine. So let's come back and now add hover effect for this home, about, services and contact. So for this we have to add some of the hover effect for this. So let's write down here dot container and uli after and for this you have to add some of the content will be empty and background, so background will be yellow and left 0, bottom it will be minus 10 pixel and width, initially its width will be 0 and its height is 3 pixel. It will be the line height, and position it will be absolute and cursor it will be pointer. And now we will have to add in this and after this we have to add in this li position relative. And let's come back and here after this add transition 0.5 second and after this we have to add css for this li. li and hover after, and after this you have to add width 100%. After this go live and you can see this animation is going over there like this. So this is why you can make the animation like this, and you can perform it with easily coding HTML and CSS. So let's end the video.